So, dear students, I am Dr.T. Sujata, working in Wales University as Assistant Professor Department of Commerce. Today, I am going to take a small part in business correspondence. So, we'll go to the video, the work study, and the technology impact. So, this is the small topic we are going to see in this video. So, what do you mean by work study? So, will be asked in 3 mark questions. So, what is work study? What do you mean by work study? Explain work study. So, for that, this is some answer for that. The systematic two-pronged approach, that is method study plus work measurement. How the method of the work measurement, and how to work, that is a method study. So, this is only called the work study. And why work study is needed? Because in order to improve the productivity and to reduce the cost and standardize processes. For this purpose, this work study is highly essential. And in order to eliminate the wasteful moment and ideal time. So ideal time means suppose the workers are very well available but they don't have the material. So for that workers are not responsible. So management is responsible for that. So for the labor, they are ready to work, then they should work. So the ready available of the material and the sophistication for working needs, all these things need to be arranged. So for this purpose, work study is highly essential. Next, the importance of work study. So it increases the productivity, maximum utilization of human material and machine hours. So the maximum utilization. So maximum utilization, that is the meaning in this. So underutilization should not be there. There must be the maximum utilization and the cost reduction. So when we are suppose in the place of ordering 100 quantity, suppose 200 we are already, transport cost is reduced. Economic order quantity in that will come. So lower workers and labor cost by reducing waste. So waste things to be reduced. Standardization establishes standard times for consistent performance measurement. So for that, this is always there in all the manufacturing things. It is there even in service as also. One day the particular person calls to be attended for the services, and for the manufacturing this is the target, 50 pieces, 100 pieces. So depending upon the switching, export. So in all the things the target is there. In all the areas, in all the services, the target is always, it is fixed well in advance so that the employees will reach the target. So in order to reach the target, they will take all the measures. Then, so safety things for the employees when they are working continuously, safety things should be followed. So all the safety measures must be taken to worker exaction and improve safety. So all these things are possible only when work study is correctly implemented. Application of work study. So the technique, applications. So what is the method we are adopting for this work study? So it streamlines the manufacturing and improving plant layout and reducing manual handling. And the work measurement. So work measurement means fair wages, labor budgeting, scheduling, all those things. So what work study, how we are able to apply this work study. In which area, what technique we can apply. So that is only this one. And then word use applicable to both manufacturing and service industries. Technology in business communication. The shift moving from traditional methods to real-time digital tools. So previously, traditional method of communicating to our vendor, to our customer, now it is totally changed. We are having the Zoom, Team, many methods are there into how the meet. So one-to-one meet also it is possible, and the group meet also it is possible by technology, by technically. So core benefit transforms communication into faster, global, and highly efficient processes. It runs fast and it is global level. It is easy. Key drivers: internet technologies have drastically reduced the cost of domestic and international communication. So previously the reason is the person need to travel to each and every place and need to get it all the things. It is not like that. The person wherever he sits from there itself, he can have the video conferencing and he can complete all his processes. That is possible. The impact of technology, positive and so the positive and the challenges. The speed, instant messaging, instant. It is a speed. So the technology drives instant messaging. That is fast speed. Here I am sending the mail, that end they are receiving it. Within a minute or 2 minutes, they are receiving the mail. They are receiving the contents. So it is a global collaboration. So cloud platforms allow teams to work together across borders, in various countries also. So customer engagement is possible in this. Next, record keeping and cost saving. Record keeping. Record keeping means it is the even 4 years back, if I send mail also, I can take it out. Easily I can take it out. My first mail, I can take it out. So it is the data travel and legal complaints. It can make all these mails nowadays as evidence. You can show this is as an evidence. And it is a cost saving. So video conferencing eliminates the expensive travel and fast, immediate. So all these things are possible only by way of this technological development. So what are the challenges and what are the tools we require? We require the major platforms, the softwares, all those things to be installed in our computer. So the basic software is the linking feature, brand management, and whatever the ERP system, what we require that we have to install and we have to get it. And the challenges concern, it is information overload. In case when our employees are 10, then easy it is. 100, 1000, 10,000, 20,000, then it is according to the server capacity to be boosted. Security threats, we should have according to that the data server, ERP system, all those things must be strengthened. It leads this reduced personal face-to-face interaction. So what is this? Even in our family also it is there. If we want to communicate anything to our children, we have to send WhatsApp message. Come for dinner. Food ready. They will see the message and they will come. That world, that society now in this way only. So children are always in this phone. That leads to what? The face-to-face interaction got reduced. Previously, the children, the parents in families, all will sit together and they will eat. Nowadays, all children are sitting with their phone and eating. So this is a situation now. Even in the companies also, face-to-face interaction highly got reduced. So this is the major maximum major families I'm saying. Okay. So it reduces the face-to-face interaction. So combining work study practices with modern communication tools create high performance. And then the technology impact is positive. It is positive only, but sometimes there are some challenges that the company must be ready to face. So with this, I conclude this video. And what is this work study? and the technology impact, the positive, and the challenges and the tools what we require to face this technology development. We discussed this thing in this video. I hope you all hear on this. We'll meet again with another video with a short sum of time. Thank you for watching this video.